Assalamu alaikum viewers. That you all know, my name is Raja Faz Kamar, and you all also watched my previous channel. If you not watched, then subscribe my previous channel also, Blogger Raja. In that channel, I am giving the knowledge of the mobile and accessories and all about the internet tips. Today, I started a new channel about history and life of the legends and stars. So, first of all, uh, before starting my video, I'll like to say that we all are Muslims. So, our Muslim legend and star and ideal is Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I thought to start my new channel from the lifestyle and his history of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam to start my new channel. So before beginning my video, guys, if you not subscribe my channel, so go down and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates about legends and stars that are alive or dead. So we start our video. Muhammad ibn Abdullah. He was an Arab religious, social, and political leader and the founder of the world religion of Islam. According to the Islamic doctrine, he was a prophet, divinely inspired to preach and confirm the monotheistic teaching of Adam, Abraham, Moses, Jesus, and the other prophets, named as Adam al-Islam, as Ibrahim al-Islam, as Musa al-Islam, as Isa al-Islam, and other prophets that come into the world. He is believed to seal of the prophets within Islam. Seal of the prophet means majority of Muslims. Muhammad united Arabia into a single polity with the Quran as well as his teaching practices forming the basis of Islamic religious belief. Muhammad was born approximately 573 in Medina. He was the son of Abdullah bin Ibn Abdul Muttalib and Amna bint Wahab. His father Abdullah was the son of Quraysh tribal leader Abdul Muttalib bin Hashim, and he died a few months before Muhammad's birth. Abdul Muttalib was the fourth chief of the Quraysh tribal confederation. He was the grandfather of the Islamic prophet Muhammad. After he became, as Muhammad Sallallahu became orphan, after he was raised under the care of his grandfather Abdul Muttalib and paternal uncle Abu Talib. Abu Talib. Abu Talib was the leader of Banu Hashim, a clan of the Quraysh tribe of the Makkah in the Hijazi region of the Arabian Peninsula. He was an uncle of the Islamic Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and the father of Ali after the death of his father Abdul Muttalib ibn Hashim ibn. In later years, he would periodically seclude himself in a mountain cave named Hira. In Asian, we said Gare Hira. For several nights, he performed prayers there. When he was 40, he got the Nabuwwat by Jibreel in the cave and receiving his first revelation from God. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam started preaching the revelation publicly, proclaiming that God is one, that complete submission to God is the right way of life, and that he was a prophet and messenger of God, similar to the other prophets in Islam. Muhammad's followers initially few in numbers and experienced hostility from Meccan polytheism. To escape ongoing persecution, he sent off his some followers to Ibn Sina. Before he and his followers migrated from Mecca to Medina, Islamic calendar name is Hijrah. Hijrah that is known as Hijri. Muhammad united the tribes under the constitution of Medina. After 8 years of intermillennial fighting, the Meccan rebellion, Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam gathered an army of 10,000 Muslim converts and marched on the city of Mecca. The conquest was largely uncontested, and Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam seized the city with little uncontested, and the Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam seized the city with bloodshed. A few months after returning from the farewell pilgrim, he fell ill and died by the time of his death. Most of the Arabian Peninsula had converted to Islam. Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was married to 13 women. These are called Muslimah. And further, more information about his history and life, I will try to upload soon video about Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam lifestyle and about his Sunnah. After his death, according to Quran and his message from Allah, he has written hadiths from which we can learn more things about Islam and God. So kindly guys subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and information about the legends and stars and then history and life. Thanks. Allah Hafiz.